Today I'm going to show you how to verify the integrity of a game's files on Steam. First, open Steam on your computer. Then, on the left panel, find and select the game you want to check. Right-click on the game and choose Properties. A new window will open. From there, click on Installed Files. Now, to verify the integrity of the game files, simply click the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. What Steam will do is check whether all the game files are correct. Steam knows exactly which files should be on your computer after the game is installed, so it compares them and checks if anything is missing or corrupted. If your game is having errors or issues, this can be a great way to fix the problem. However, if the verification process finishes and no issues are found, but the game is still having problems, you may need to uninstall the game completely and download it again. Keep in mind that this process can take some time. The larger the game, the longer the verification will take. You can follow the progress directly in this window. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like.